Welcome back to Color Vistas. If you're looking to expand your sublimation projects, sublimation on wood is a fantastic option. It's perfect for creating rustic home decor, personalized gifts, or unique art pieces. But sublimation on wood isn't as straightforward as it is on polyester or coated surfaces. In today's video, I'll guide you through the entire process of sublimating on wood, from preparing the material to achieving vibrant, lasting designs. Let's dive in and unleash your creativity. Sublimation works by transferring dye into polyester or polymer-coated surfaces, which means that raw wood isn't naturally compatible with sublimation ink. However, with the right preparation, you can achieve stunning results. There are two primary methods for sublimating on wood: using sublimation-ready coated wood blanks, or applying a sublimation coating yourself. Let's start by discussing the materials you'll need. For sublimation on wood, you'll need sublimation paper, sublimation ink, a sublimation printer, and a heat press. You'll also need wood pieces with a smooth surface, such as plaques, coasters, or photo frames. If you're not using sublimation-ready wood blanks, you'll need a sublimation coating spray or a sheet of laminate film to create a suitable surface for the ink transfer. The first step is choosing the right type of wood. Sublimation works best on light-colored, smooth wood surfaces, as they allow the colors to show up vividly. Avoid using rough or porous wood, as these textures can interfere with the transfer process and result in uneven designs. If you're working with raw wood, sand it down to create a smooth surface, and clean it thoroughly to remove any dust or debris. If your wood isn't pre-coated, you'll need to apply a sublimation coating. Sublimation sprays are an excellent option for adding a polyester layer to wood. Simply spray the coating evenly across the wood surface, following the manufacturer's instructions for drying and curing. Some coatings require heat curing, so check the product details to ensure proper application. Alternatively, you can use laminate sheets. Cut the laminate to fit the wood piece, place it shiny side up on the wood, and press it with a heat press at 300 degrees to 350 degrees for about 30 seconds. This will adhere the laminate to the wood, creating a sublimation-friendly surface. Once your wood is prepped, it's time to design and print your sublimation image. Use graphic design software to create your artwork, keeping in mind the size and shape of your wood piece. Bright, high-contrast designs work best on wood, as the material's natural texture can slightly mute colors. Print your design onto sublimation paper using a sublimation printer and sublimation ink. Don't forget to mirror your design before printing, especially if it includes text. After printing, align the sublimation paper with the wood surface. Secure it with heat-resistant tape to ensure it doesn't shift during the transfer process. If you're using laminate film, make sure the sublimation paper is in direct contact with the shiny laminated surface. Set your heat press to 375 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius and apply medium pressure for 60 to 90 seconds. Place the wood piece with the attached sublimation paper in the press and cover it with a Teflon sheet or parchment paper to protect the heat press and prevent scorching. Once the transfer is complete, carefully remove the wood from the heat press. It will be hot, so use heat-resistant gloves. Allow the wood to cool for a few moments before peeling off the sublimation paper to reveal your design. The colors should appear vibrant and fully bonded to the coated surface. If you notice any imperfections, such as dull spots or uneven areas, check your heat and pressure settings and ensure the sublimation paper was applied smoothly. For added durability, especially if the wood will be exposed to moisture or wear, consider sealing the design with a clear coat. Use a high-quality, non-yellowing clear spray or brush-on sealant to protect the surface and enhance the design's longevity. Allow the sealant to dry completely before handling or displaying your wood piece. Sublimation on wood is incredibly versatile. Create custom signs, coasters, photo frames, ornaments, or even keychains. The natural texture of wood adds a rustic charm to sublimation designs, making them stand out from traditional polyester or ceramic items. Whether you're making gifts, home decor, or products for your business, Sublimation on wood is a creative and rewarding project. To care for sublimated wood items, avoid exposing them to excessive moisture or direct sunlight, as these can affect the design's appearance over time. For coasters or other items that might come into contact with water, the clear coat sealant will provide added protection. If you're running a sublimation business, offering wood products can help you stand out in the market. Personalized wooden plaques, family name signs, or wedding gifts are always in demand and add a unique touch to your product line. Investing time in perfecting your sublimation on wood technique will help you create high-quality items that customers love. And there you have it, a complete guide to sublimation on wood. While it requires some extra preparation compared to polyester, the results are worth the effort. With the right materials, techniques, and a bit of practice, you can create stunning wood designs that are perfect for gifts, home decor, or your small business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation tools and supplies where applicable. Visit my website for more tips, guides, and creative ideas. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite sublimation wood projects in the comments. See you in the next video.